Okay, so now let's look at incomplete and codominant Punnett squares. These are non-Mendelian traits because we've got that third phenotype. So here there are no recessive alleles, so we only use capital letters. So here we're going to use the lovely snapdragon. So we've got red, we have white, and then a blending of that is going to be pink. So this is incomplete dominant that we're looking at here. Okay, so here we've got big W to big W, that is going to be white. Big W, big R, that's a blending, so it's incomplete. That blending, that's where we're going to get our pink. And then big R, so red, red, it's going to give us red. We set these up just like the complete dominant monohybrids, but now the phenotypes and the genotypes are going to be a little bit different. So here we've got a white and a red. So we've got big W, big R, and it really doesn't matter if you do RW or WR, just be consistent. Okay, so then what percentage of the offspring will be, what percentage of the offspring will be white? Well, none of them, so 0%. Pink, we have 100%, and red, we have 0%. Okay, so when we do work these out, so like these would be your P generation, your parent generation. This would be what's called your F1 generation, your first filial. In plants, we can then cross those and get a second generation to see what that second generation looks like. So that is what we did here. Okay, so again, it doesn't matter if it's RW or WR, same thing. I'm just going to go in the order that's written there, WR. Okay, so now we're going to create the F2 generation. Okay, we had our parents, we had our F1, now we have our F2. So WW, WR, WR, and RR. Okay. All right, so now what percentage of offspring will be white? Well, just that 25%. Pink are going to be these two here, so 50%. And red, here we've got our 25%. Okay. And then I will do a different video on codominance.